Hi guys, welcome to Nene Math. It's me, Nene, and today I'm going to be teaching you about the topic of prime factorization. So let's get started. So you may be wondering, what does prime factorization mean? To clear this confusion, I'm going to walk you through the first problem we have right here. To find the prime factorization of 100. So, prime factorization is basically breaking down a number into its prime factors. So, I'm going to take 100 here, and I know 2 times 50 is 100. So, 2 is a prime number, so we can't break that down. But we can break down 50 into 2 and 25, since 2 times 25 is 50. And then we break down 25 to 5 and 5, since 5 times 5 is 25. Now what we do is we circle all the prime numbers, and all we have to do is multiply them. To check our work, all we have to do is multiply 2 times 2, which is 4, times 5, which is 25, and 4 times 25 is 100. So that checks that our work is correct. So to simplify our answer, I'll say 2 squared times 5 squared. And you also may be thinking, there's other ways to break down 100. So, for example, 4 and 25. If we break these down, however, we'll still get the same answer. We'll still get 5 times 5 is 25, and 2 times 2 is 4. And we will still get the same answer as above. So, any order doesn't matter, as long as you get the correct answer. So now with this knowledge, we're going to find the smallest whole number that is divisible by 2, 12, and 18. So you might be wondering, what is this? This has nothing to do with what we have just done. Well, don't worry, because it does. We just have to do prime factorization first with all of these numbers. And then, after that, we are going to find the least common multiple of all of these numbers. So let me walk you through it. So to find the prime factorization of 2, we cannot break 2 down. So 2 is already our first answer. We don't have to break it down, since 2 is the most it can be broken down. Next, we can break down 12 into 2 and 6, and break down 6 into 2 and 3. Now we just circle our prime numbers, and we get 2, 2, and 3. And that makes our final answer 2 squared times 3. And now we just have to prime factorize 18. We can break that into 3 and 6 and 3, and break 6 into 2 and 3, and circle all our prime factors, prime numbers, and we just have 2 times 3 squared. And now what we have to do, I'm going to draw this box to separate our work. And we're going to find the LCM, so we just have to take the highest powers of the prime that we did from prime factorization. So 2 squared is going to be your highest for 12, and 3 squared is going to be your highest for 18. So now we just multiply them, so we get 4 times 9, and we get 36. So 36 is our final answer. So I hope you liked my video. Stay tuned for more. Bye!